Got it here, double action Microtech live food, black and a plain. So S90V. This is 2002 vintage knife, and this one is definitely goes into next level or weirdest knives ever made. So let me show you what's so weird about it. There's a case, there's a little shark, Microtech. Yeah, beautiful. So first of all, really nice, elegant design. Looks vintage, nice tight clip on it. Looks like left-handed, right-handed. You just open it, liner lock, simple stuff. Right hand, slow way to open it, and to fast way to open it, I'm just gonna hold it this way so you guys can see what's happening. This is why it's called double action. You just pull on this whole frame. Check this out. Tell me this is not weird. This is definitely one of a kind. So brand new 2002, was in somebody's collection. Yes, this is gonna be a lot more expensive, over $1,000. But again, not lots of them have left in that kind of condition. You could only assume. Yeah, so light food, all that good stuff, patent pending, and this right here, 07 2002. So glad that Microtech was labeling it, so that way we don't have to guess. And as you can see right here, you have, I guess like a spring. But whenever you lift it up, no more spring. How cool is that? It is not a soft or a flipper. It is more of an assisted knife, but also very smooth to just grab it and open it this way. But let's see if I can pull it this way. Oh wow, flies out so well. Definitely takes a little bit of getting used to. Locks in, and then again it's soft. Wow, that's amazing. Definitely one of a kind. One more time. No, definitely not a left-handed. Yeah, it's only on this side. That's it. It doesn't take too much, but still strong enough to not worry about it's not going to do it by itself. Wow, that is the weirdest knife ever made. So yeah, if you like this kind of unique knife openers, definitely support this video by watching it and sharing it. Helps a lot. So yeah, share that video. Let's see if I can flick it this way. Yeah, you could still flick it. You just have to do a little like motion like that, because it's not really a flipper. But if you just want to open it quickly with the assistance, there you go. And then it's really tight to close it. That thing is just so insanely awesome. Never seen anything like that. One more time just to show it to you. You see? Just a little push. This is maximum it goes. Wow. That's definitely a dream collector. If you guys love Microtech knives and Morpheons and such, that's must have for sure. How to get though, how to find. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.